would heal the pain,
but every night still says your name. The house feels colder without your laugh. Your picture still hangs beside my heart.
I told myself I needed freedom. Now I'm drowning in the silence we made. I see your shadow in every streetlight, hear your voice in the midnight rain.
I was too proud to fight for us. Now I carry all this blame.
If I could turn back